So guys, new plugin that is available on a Sketchup site, hole editor. So here you can see that you can edit the hole and its segments. So after selecting the circle of hole, you can simply just click over the editor icon, and then you can edit its radius and its segments. You can see I have typed 5 segments, so here 5 segments are appeared edited over the surfaces. You can see that. So here now I am going to change again and clicking OK. You can say this is the 10 segment hole. So it's a very cool free plugin. Actually, you have to just if you want to remerge it, you can select and just click here to remerge. Okay, this is like that, all holes will be disappeared. So if you want to edit, just select the edges and then click here and then type the radius and the number of segments. Your hole will be edited. So if you don't have this plugin, you can download through the link in the description guys, and please subscribe for more update guys. Thank you.